Latest breaking news that's coming in. The Bharatiya Janata Party has now targeted the Congress government, calling it a misuse of power. And let's get you the latest reaction that's coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Tejasvi Surya going on to say that there is a never-ending power struggle in Karnataka. 77 MLAs, 4 MLCs, 9 Congress members, along with 34 chairpersons of boards and corporations have been given cabinet rank. Now there's a demand for 3 more deputy chief ministers. The Karnataka Congress is embroiled in internal battles, and the infighting is resulting in blatant misuse of power and resources. Karnataka deserves a government that prioritizes people's needs, development, and not one that is consumed by power. And they've used a hashtag, if you can see, viewers, the hashtag here is Congress fails Karnataka. So that's the latest attack coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. They are accusing the Congress of, in fact, being consumed by power, and that is what Tejasvi Surya is saying. And we have Imran also joining us on this broadcast. Now, Imran, Neha showed us how the road that in fact caved in, in fact, there was a patch-up work of sorts happening. And the Bharatiya Janata Party is in fact accusing the Congress of misusing power and only caring about post because of the clamour of Deputy Chief CM's post. When it comes to the Congress, what's the latest happening? Is there a meeting in the anvil?
Well, absolutely. Where there's a chief minister and both deputy chief ministers are on the way to Delhi, and a very important meeting is happening today, 6 evening, with all the MPs and Rajya Sabha MPs there, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha MPs meeting the chief minister there. More importantly, the meeting between High Command and Chief Ministers Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister, and what we get to know, even Home Minister has been asked to come to Delhi. Now there is ministers also have travelled with Chief Minister over this issue, and now there is the demand for 3 deputy chief ministers, and some even wanted 5 deputy chief ministers, has not gone well with the High Command. High Command is likely to meet all the senior leaders and pull up the chief minister and others, especially over this particular issue. An impact of that the chief minister today called up K.N. Rajanna, the minister who's been consistently making such demand, not to make any public statement over this issue further. What we're getting to know is that the chief minister has been pulled up by the High Command and asked his party supporters, loyalists, to rain on them and not to make such public statements which is damaging the party and especially the government there currently, giving opposition an opportunity to hit back, especially now the roads have caved in, milk prices have been hiked, and also we see the opposition targeting the government over saying that development has taken a backseat and personal growth and politics of between the chief minister and deputy chief minister is growing and damaging the state.